Good morning, you guys. I've got a little mic on this morning, hopefully, because I'm standing in this bathroom and it echoes. So hopefully this is going to help. But you probably saw on the post this morning that we're going to talk a little bit about dry skin brushing today. This is something that I started maybe 6 months ago. When I first heard about it, I thought it sounded a little bit weird, but it feels so good, you guys, actually. If for no other reason, you know how, someone tickling your back or something, think about that, but this feels like that, just getting a nice little massage over your whole body, which feels awesome. So, but there are some real benefits to it. And, I was actually talking to my husband about this since he's a physician. A lot of you know my background, but he's a doctor. He's a pediatric gastroenterologist at Phoenix Children's Hospital, and my background's nursing. So, I actually just finished my workout this morning, and this ties into the dry skin brushing a little bit. I recently started doing yoga, and it's been a really awesome workout. But the benefits of yoga are actually one of the biggest benefits is that it helps to move your lymph through your body. So my husband was explaining to me, our hearts help our cardiovascular system. They move our blood, right? Our hearts pump the blood through our body. Well, our lymphatic system, it doesn't have a way to do that. So the lymphatic system, our lymph will not move unless we do things to help it move. And yoga is actually designed, the poses and the order that they are in are designed to help our lymphatic system to move that lymph through our body. This is going to help our immune system. It's going to help our whole body just to work better. Hey, Patty. Good to have you on. You guys, as you're hopping in, say hi. Give a heart if you guys are liking what we're doing this week. So basically, as far as dry skin brushing, let's see, questions too. I'll answer any questions you guys have, so pop those on. Dry skin brushing, there's a few different things that it's going to help with. Number one, it's going to exfoliate your skin. So as you're brushing, I'm going to show you guys how to do this, but as you're brushing, you're actually getting rid of all those dead skin cells. And this is going to help your oils to absorb better. It's going to help your skin to look better. And I would suggest doing this actually in the shower or in your bathroom, not while your water's running. You're doing it dry, right? But you don't want to do it afterwards. You want to do it beforehand, before you get in the shower, before you turn the water on, and then be able to wash all the dead skin and stuff that you've just brushed off your skin away. So, that would be really, really good. Let's see. Oh, hey, Janet. Sorry, got the phone ringing now. So anyway, other things that it's going to help with speeding up your metabolism. That's another thing that it will do for your body. Let's see, what else? So I think one thing you're going to want to do actually is I'm going to wait for that phone to stop ringing. You guys, this is what happens when you're on live. Is it done? Yeah, it's done. Okay. So you want to add oils to your dry skin brush. We're going to go through how to actually do this. So the oils I like, you've seen the post today about Slim and Sassy, and obviously that oil is also 10% off this month, which is awesome. But Slim and Sassy is a great thing to add to your dry skin brush as you're doing that. Now, me particularly, I actually like to put this with doTERRA's unscented body lotion after I get out of the shower, and I use that over my whole body. What I like to use while I'm dry skin brushing, since I'm already getting Slim and Sassy that way, I like to use DDR Prime. So you guys might realize DDR Prime, or maybe you don't. It comes in a supplement form, like a pill, like a gel cap, which I also have in my supplements. But this is the oil, and it comes in a big bottle. It's 30 mils. So it's double the big bottles, the size of like your regular oils. It's going to be double that size. So I actually will put 3 or 4 drops on my dry skin brush and then do my dry skin brushing. So this brush, and I'll link it up in the comments after I do the video, but it has like a short bristle side and a long bristle side. It doesn't matter which one you use. It's kind of what's the most comfortable for you. If you use the short bristles, it's going to be a little firmer. And this is going to be a little softer on the long bristle side. Okay. And I go back and forth between the two. So what you want to do when you dry skin brush is always be brushing short strokes towards the heart. So while you're doing your lower body, you're going to be brushing up towards your heart. When you're doing your upper body, things that are above your heart, you're going to be brushing down and just short strokes. And it doesn't take very long, you guys. This is something I do every day right before I get in the shower. It takes me maybe 2 minutes. So, and you can draw it out and do it a little longer. You'll get it even better if you take your time with it. I'm usually in a hurry, so mine's 2 minutes. 5 would be better. But I'll back up so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. But you're going to start, and this is my mic hanging off of me, but you're going to start at the bottom with your toes, and you're just going to do upward strokes. And obviously I'm doing this fully clothed. You would be doing this not clothed before you hop in the shower. You want this directly on your skin, not on your top of your clothes. But you're going to just go ahead and brush your your feet up and do the bottoms of your feet and just keep going. You're going to go strokes about like this and just stroke up, up, up. And make sure you get behind your knees. You know, everywhere where you've got lymph nodes, you want to be really good about getting those areas too. So get your knees. This is going to help with, you know, the dryness on your knees and your elbows. It's going to really help with that. So you're going to just keep going and get both legs. I'm not going to do my whole body. I'll just do one side, but you're going to go all the way up. And when you get to your belly, I would just do strokes this direction. And there's a nice graphic that we posted for you that you can kind of see the direction. Hey, Pam. Hi. So you're going to go ahead and just go round strokes on your belly. And then when you get up to your breasts, kind of go round strokes there too, and just go the other direction on the other side. And then you're going to do your arms and your hands. So start at your hands, your fingertips, right? You want to start at the extremity and then work towards the heart. So do your hands, both sides, and just do short strokes. You're going to get all the way up behind the elbows, get the elbows, and make sure you get under your arms. Get your armpits, you guys. You've got lots of lymph nodes there. You want to just really get that lymphatic system moving, okay? So, and then when you're going to go ahead and do your neck and brush down, do not do your face. Your skin on your face is super sensitive. You don't want to do that. So just go down on your neck like that. And I probably just hit my mic. Make sure you're also, when you're, you know, I'm going to back up a little bit. When you get to your waist, get your bum, get behind there and get your bum. And then my favorite part, what feels the best, is getting my back. You can't reach your back very well. This is why I use a long handled. There's lots of dry skin brushes. I like the long handled ones. I can really reach my back really well. And just brush up towards the middle of your back and then get up and get on your neck and brush down all the way down to the middle of your back. And it feels so awesome, you guys. You're going to get addicted to this because it feels nice. It feels really good. And you're just doing a lot of good for your body. Pam's asking, what does that brush feel like? Is it soft? So Pam, this brush has two sides to it, and I'll link it up for you on Amazon. But this side has short bristles. It's more firm. And this side has the longer bristles, feel a little bit softer. Okay. And you do want to use it dry, not wet. And so if you think this side feels too hard, use the soft side. And there may be some days like me where you just switch back and forth. So yes. Any other questions before I hop off? I know it takes a second. If I see any others, I'll kind of keep an eye and I'll answer those for you through the day. And if you get your dry skin brush and you start doing it, you'll have to hop back on and tell me what you think. I bet you will absolutely love it. All right, you guys, have a great day.